Questions about thermostats. A thermostat is a device that automatically controls the temperature of a space. 1. What is the best thermostat? There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, as the best thermostat for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. However, some of the most popular and highly rated thermostats on the market include Google Nest Thermostat, Ecobee Smart Thermostat, Honeywell Home T9 Smart Thermostat, Emerson Sensi Smart Thermostat, Amazon Smart Thermostat. These thermostats offer a variety of features, such as smart scheduling, geofencing, and remote access. They can also be integrated with other smart home devices for added convenience and energy savings. 2. How to program a thermostat. Programming a thermostat can seem daunting at first, but it's actually quite simple. Most thermostats come with a clear and concise instruction manual that will walk you through the process step by step. In general, to program a thermostat, you will need to set the desired temperature for different times of day and days of the week. For example, you might want to set your thermostat to a lower temperature when you're sleeping or away from home to save energy. Many thermostats also offer smart scheduling features, which can automatically adjust the temperature based on your daily routine and preferences. 3. How to save energy with a thermostat. There are a number of things you can do to save energy with a thermostat, including set your thermostat to the appropriate temperature for the season. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, you can save up to 10% on your heating and cooling bill by setting your thermostat back 7 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 hours a day. Use a smart thermostat with smart scheduling features to automatically adjust the temperature based on your daily routine and preferences. Consider installing a programmable thermostat if you don't already have one. Change the air filters in your HVAC system regularly to keep it running efficiently. Seal any air leaks in your home around windows, doors, and other openings. 4. How to troubleshoot a thermostat. If your thermostat is not working properly, there are a few things you can check before calling a professional. Make sure the thermostat is turned on and properly plugged in. Check the batteries in the thermostat if it is a battery-operated model. Replace the fuse in the thermostat if it has blown. Clean the thermostat sensor to remove any dust or debris. Reset the thermostat to factory default settings. If you have tried all of these things and your thermostat is still not working properly, you will need to call a professional HVAC technician for assistance. 5. How to install a thermostat. Installing a thermostat can be a relatively simple DIY project for most homeowners. However, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to avoid any problems. Please check the description for much more info.